Today's your lucky day because I'm about to break down 5 high potential online business models that I would pursue, I would chase with everything I had if I was starting from zero, from scratch, using free platforms, AI tools that you can learn quite fast, and I will outline the exact strategy and revenue targets you should put down in order to aim to starting something, pushing yourself enough, and scaling the idea within the first month. Some of the ideas have a 5-figure monthly income potential, depending always on your skill set, your starting point, the amount of work and effort you will put, because like with everything, the only variable is you. These ideas work. There are people making actual money with them. And in this video, I'll explain the necessary steps, what I would do to start something, see the full potential, and start chasing it. So if you're ready, take your notebook and let's do it. So the first idea is to replicate with Nano Banana popular stuff that are making millions of dollars online. Like this t-shirt, for example, one of my favorite ones. The Joker one. So I will take a photo of it and go to Gemini to replicate that in a non-copyrighted way. So as you see right here, I entered the photo of my t-shirt on Nano Banana and I asked it to recreate this image for a super popular t-shirt that will explode sales for my t-shirt business. And it came up with this t-shirt design, right? It looks really cool. You can definitely sell it. Temu and all those big marketplaces are full of different ideas that are selling without any copyright issues. But if you want to be 100% legit, you need to use AI so you can create something that resonates with this audience, but is completely legit. So what I did was I asked Gemini to come up with a different concept that makes people think of Joker, but it doesn't really use the figure or the name, right? And it came up with this beautiful concept, right? I mean, if you love Joker and if you wear a Joker t-shirt, I would definitely wear this as well, right? And you can do the same with so many different huge figures like Batman, Iron Man, Vikings, you name it. Whatever you want, whatever kind of group you want to go after in the marketplace, you can create a copyright-free image that is unique, it's original, you created that, like this one or this one, I ain't joking. And you can download this picture, go to Printify, select from the catalog among tens of thousands of different products and create your own variations. Like this one, you can save the product and you can see the mockups right here and see it in your store within a few seconds, like this one. This is the copyrighted version, but you can do exactly the same with the non-copyrighted version that we just created together. And as you see, within a few minutes, I have a pop-up store ready on Printify. This is one of my pop-up stores, Simply Digital Real. I have my product with the photos that I didn't use a camera to create. I have it available in 4 different colors. I can use a much bigger variety if I want to. All the available sizes, and every time somebody buys that from my link, I get 40% of this price without lifting a finger. So as you see, my new design is already published in my store and we will see it live right now. Here it is. This is my new product that we created together using Nano Banana, Printify, and we have it ready without spending a single dollar, available for people to buy. And you can go after Facebook groups that love Marvel or DC, or they're talking about things happening in specific movies. Go to Etsy and search for Joker-related merch and create similar products to attack this kind of territory, to grab a volume of searches out of this group of people that would buy stuff because they love Joker, right? You can use mugs, hoodies, billboard, posters, socks, you name it. So many different ones. You can go in the catalog of Printify and choose any of these products. There are more than 10,000 products right here, and create your own product list for so many different concepts and publish them online today, right? And if I want to go faster towards 10K, I would run ads targeting people that love Joker or Marvel or DC and promote my listing, right? So if I want to achieve 10K with a t-shirt that costs $25, right? I need to sell 21 pieces in order to reach 10K monthly earnings, right? Yes, it's difficult. Many people are doing that, but it's not impossible. There's so many people doing that already. So why not you be one of them? The second idea I have for you is to create an AI creator clone agency for big creators. Let me explain. I have almost 4 million followers on all social media. And as you see, all my content on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube is being filmed by me, right? With microphone, camera, everything. It makes 7 figures for me with everything I do, sponsorships, affiliate deals, consultation, agency work. But all that requires a lot of time in front of the screen. A lot of time. Strategizing, creating ideas, filming, uploading the videos in a drive so the editor gets it. So it's at least 2 to 3 hours per day of work. Apart from the work that my team does also, right? At the same time, with AI, we see all the time videos like this one that you see right here, which is AI generated. This guy here is an AI avatar. This guy also has an entire page with 700,000 followers, completely created with AI. This is not real. This is an AI avatar, as you see. And there are B-rolls, animated screens, work done by editors, but he never goes in front of the camera. All those videos that you see right here, it's exactly the same thing. You see him briefly at the beginning, it's not him, it's an avatar. And all that can be created by you by running an agency that you're gonna charge this as a service. How? You're gonna use a tool like HeyGen or any other AI video generator that creates realistic avatars like this one. As you see, all those guys are avatars, and all you need is a photo to train the model and create endless videos with different outfits, different caps, different backgrounds, so you don't have to have a huge wardrobe or whatever. And you can use HeyGen to create several videos for every creator that you're gonna work with, right? How much you can make? This is just an example, right? So if you create 3 different plans as an agency, a plan with 15 videos per month, one with 30 videos per month, and one with 60, you can charge $200 per video, and all that adds up to 3K, 5.4 and 9K per month, depending on the number of videos the guys want to create to build momentum or for ultra growth or for a standard creation mode. You can charge that money. This is not bullshit. I get people coming to me asking me to do that, but I know how to do it myself. I just don't want to be an AI avatar yet. But there are so many other people that want to do it. It will free up for them tons of time, and they're willing to pay 3-4K per month for somebody else to do it for them. Come up with ideas with ChatGPT or Gemini. Find a couple of editors on Fiverr or Upwork that they can take everything together and come up with a concept like this one, and do that again and again for long form or short form. This is also an example of a long video created with an AI avatar plus an editor, right? So you pay a Fiverr guy in HeyGen and you create endless content for people for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, long or short, and you build an agency by doing that. How you sell? You knock doors. It's a numbers game. So if you want to get 4 clients by the end of the month, that means 12K if you sell this package right here. You need to knock at least 20, 30 doors, right? Of big creators, right at the end. It's not that difficult, right? Every single business in this world sells at some point of time. So it's the right time for you to do the same. So what are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments if you're going to go after this idea. Idea number 3, we're gonna create together the AI Influencer Factory, which means we're gonna find, again, people, micro-influencers who want to create more content, to showcase how great they look, right? To have a specific style. So many different Instagram pages that have a specific aesthetic and they want to follow that, but they cannot shoot content all the time. They need money, they need outfits, they need to travel around the world, right? So this is expensive and it takes time. So why not you do that with Nano Banana without spending a dime because it's free, and you're gonna be creating the content for other influencers or wannabe influencers. For example, I have a photo of me, a selfie in my gym right here, and I asked for a cinematic black and white portrait of me, keeping my real face unchanged. I'm sitting relaxed, dominant pose in a dark leather armchair. Boom, check it out. Beautiful, right? So imagine this being an Instagram post, right? With a nice song and a nice caption, and you can do another one where I'm laughing. And if you want, you can add a Rolex watch on his wrist where he's posing right here, like that. Or you can upload a photo of you in the gym. This is a real photo, by the way, and ask it to make it even better by making the guy more shredded. Check this out. That's me, a bit more toned, right? It looks completely realistic, right? It hasn't changed anything else. And I can ask it to improve the space lighting and make it more cinematic, and here it is. Another photo ready for my Instagram, right? So you can do that for different people and give them content so they can post online, because people love that, right? Everybody wants to feed their narcissistic traits. So help them do that, right? That's me, for example, on the top of a big building, or a close-up look like this. All you gotta do is enter the right prompt. You can find so many different prompts online. Ask Gemini to come up with different prompts and create beautiful content for people they're gonna absolutely love, for sponsors in specific places, or like this one where I asked to put me and my friend in a more premium location, like this one. You can be creative, you can ask to the influencer what exactly they want and come up with different plans like these ones. The standard one, the momentum one, and the ultra growth one. Depending on the number of posts you're gonna create for them, you can charge $30 for the small plan, and then you can charge less if it's more photos. And as you see, with 12 clients in the first month, you can reach more than 10K in monthly recurring income. It's all about shaping the service, knocking doors, finding people that you believe you can serve, and getting your first client. When you get your first client, which by the way, you can do it for free for a week, and if they like it, they can continue by paying. And by doing that, you get more ideas, you become more creative, and it's much easier for you to close deals. Idea number 4. Everybody's getting crazy about AI applications, AI platforms, and according to AI moguls, there's gonna be tons of people becoming millionaires or even billionaires in the next 3 years by simple AI tools they developed themselves or with little cost. And platforms like this one, DeepSight, gives you the opportunity to turn any idea into a working AI app. That's what vibe coding is the ability of people to code stuff, to create working platforms without knowing a single line of code. So why not use this platform, and I'm ready to develop whatever I want, any crazy idea that I have, to turn it into a working app. And why not build an agency with the help of a Fiverr developer to fine-tune and optimize whatever you're gonna develop and then sell it to people, either to existing businesses that want an application or to anybody who feel that they're missing out and they want to develop something, right? A ready to sell business. So all you gotta do is ask from DeepSight to develop an image, create an imagination platform for foodies. It makes the photos look better, tag locations, shows reviews from popular brands and the best recipes based on the photo that I took. Whatever, right? You can come up with different concepts with AI. So if, for example, you say that, guys, I have an AI agency, I build AI apps, let's talk. You can go on a discovery call, write down what exactly they want to do. And depending on the feedback, you come back using Gemini or AI or ChatGPT or whatever with specific ideas, like this one. So if they're foodies, you can come up with a crazy concept that makes sense for the market, that is making a specific difference in the market, right? Or if you are into marketing, you come up with something that makes sense for this territory. Or you listen to your clients, what exactly they want to do. And you can come back with a live preview, as you see right here, it's being built right now. As we talk, the tool develops the platform and you can show them the live preview and then hire a Fiverr developer to optimize that, check for any bugs, publish it online, give them $50 or $100 and sell this platform for thousands of dollars. Literally, 5K, 7K, 10K, simple websites cost that little, right? So you can really charge up to 10 or 15K based on the complexity of the project, the features, and how custom it has to be. All you gotta do is find these people or run some ads saying, are you feeling you're missing out? AI billionaires are being developed today. Let's talk. You might be the next one. Let's build your AI app, right? Run this ad, collect people, collect leads, start talking, sell your ideas, and start signing people. That's how you make money, guys. By knocking doors, showcasing something, and closing the deal. Idea number 5. Many of you, especially the ones that have kids, gonna absolutely love this, and you're gonna see also the value in this idea. So, Google Gemini has launched an experimental feature, which is free right now, that develops storybooks. This is the last one that I created some days ago, and it asks you for the target reader age, the plot, and the illustration style like watercolor, anime, etc. And I requested for a plot where a kid from a poor family became a legend in business and AI by creating content. So maybe that's me, right? And as you see, I get my storybook right here that looks absolutely fantastic. You can even listen it as an audiobook. And why not use that to sell it to parents, right? Imagine, for example, somebody, a kid, who would see himself or herself in that story. How amazing would that be? right? Which parent wouldn't pay for that? To showcase to their kid a storybook where Konstantinos or George or Maria are becoming a protagonist in the storybook, right? If I was a parent, I would pay a lot to get that. So you can, for example, create for your 7-year-old who doesn't want to sleep over at their grandma's house, create a storybook to help them cope, right? So Gemini will make some background work, and here it is. My new storybook is ready. Lara was packing her little suitcase, but a tiny knot of worry was tying herself in her tummy. Look at the images. Look how cool that looks, right? You can see that in full screen right here.
That night, Lara was tucked into bed. She heard a creak from the hallway. Her heart...
You can listen to that as an audiobook, and you can print that and sell it as a hard copy or use it as a PDF, and you can sell it to people for $5, $10, $15. The longer, the more expensive, obviously, right? So how cool would that be? To create a personalized story, not create one thing and sell it to millions, right? I'm talking about personalized storybooks. So Konstantinos, a parent, wants those 3 storybooks for his kids, and he's willing to pay $50 for each, right? So $150 from one parent. You can do that a business. Personalized storybooks for parents where the kids become the actual protagonists. How cool is that? So I'm really proud of this video. I think that all those 5 ideas are so exciting, so creative, and everybody can do it if you put some effort and you dedicate and you sit down, take the decision, make a plan, and start knocking doors. Let me know in the comments which idea are you gonna implement this weekend. Like this video, it's so important for me so that more people get ideas and more people have the chance to make some more money. And until next time, simply hustle.